grandma Blossom, who's my mom's mom, who taught my mom how to dance. In turn, she taught me how to dance. She's taught thousands. This song I didn't write for my grandma. Somebody else did. But I told him, and him is Nathan Ariel. I told him, Nathan, I think you wrote this song for me. He said, no, Nat, I didn't. I told him, I'm going to steal your song. He said, can you wait a year? I said, yeah, I'll wait a year. So I waited my year, but my year is so done. This song is entitled Ruby Light. Ruby Light is the name of a really, really thick mist on the island of Hawaii. Where? In Waimea. And that's my grandma's name. And it's amazing, but this is why I love to sing Hawaiian music. Because I can sing a song about a face whose face has changed. You can sing a song about a person who's no longer here with you. And no matter what you feel as if that place hasn't changed, and as if that person is still here. Every time I sing Ruby Light, I can feel my grandma.
Kalaya
comes when the new year comes, when regular life takes us. Remember that our loved ones are precious to us all year round. Every day, you have to make it. Promise to yourselves that you're going to say, I love you. You have to practice that, because you never know what tomorrow brings. And it sounds so cliche, but it's so not. It's so real. In our family, we knew we loved each other. We'd say it on special occasions, but really it was Leo. He'll tell me how to say I love you. And I love saying those words. Not just to him, not just to my children, but I love saying it to people. And even if I've just met you, and I love you this much, I'll still tell you I love you. And I did love you for coming this evening and sharing this time with us. So, travel safe. The roads are crazy this time of year. Be safe. And if you so feel inclined that you would want to purchase